Even the best sounding deals can have hidden traps that make them hard to manage. These traps are known as the major limitations of forwards. It is like trading snacks on a school bus where there are no clear rules and you are stuck with whatever deal you made. Basically, while these deals are private and flexible, they carry risks like the inability to sell quickly, people breaking their word, and messy organization. Moving forward, one of the biggest messes happens when you want to get out of a deal but find yourself stuck. Imagine trying to sell something so unique that nobody else wants to buy it. This is called liquidity risk. Think of it like a custom made puzzle with your face on it. It is perfect for you. But you will have a hard time finding a stranger who wants to pay for it. Because these deals are tailor-made and do not trade on a big public market or exchange, you might be stuck holding on to them until the very end because nobody else is interested. Besides being stuck in a deal, there is also the chance the other person simply breaks their word. Sometimes, the person you are trading with just does not show up to do what they promised. We call this counterparty risk, though you might also hear it called default risk or credit risk. It is like hiring a neighbor to mow your lawn, but they take your money and never show up with the mower. In short, it is the danger that you lose out because the other side fails to fulfill their part of the agreement. To see how this works in the real world, let's look at a specific example involving a simple food trade. People often change their minds if a better deal comes along elsewhere, which creates an incentive to default. Imagine you agree to buy 100 kilograms of rice for 40 rupees, but the market price jumps to 50 rupees. The seller might ignore you and sell to someone else for more money. Similarly, if the price drops to 35 rupees, you might be tempted to buy from the market instead of your partner. People are often tempted to break their promises whenever they can save or make more money by walking away. Since these private deals have so many flaws, the financial world came up with a much better way to trade. We need a way to trade that is transparent, organized, and guaranteed. This is why we use futures contracts on a centralized trading platform. Instead of a messy garage sale with no receipts, it is like a high-tech supermarket where every item is inspected and the store guarantees your purchase. By moving to a public exchange and using standardized rules, we fix the problems of private deals and make trading much safer for everyone.